Hello, in this video we'll talk about object lifecycle. An object follows a life cycle of creation, usage and destruction. The first stage is the definition of class. The next stage is the instantiation, where init is called. Before init, a new is called. And these are the magic functions which we have seen before. So let's see in terms of the code. So when I run this, I'm creating instance of philosopher object. First, the new method is called underscore new at the start and end. So this is the magic method. This is called, and we can see that executing new is being invoked. Then because of this method, the constructor is called of philosopher, and that's why we see inside constructor, and then we see the final prints, Bertrand Russell and United Kingdom. So the key point to remember is how the instantiation happens. So first a new method is called, then a init method is called. There are more nuances to it, but this is a good start to understand how object lifecycle happens in Python.